Should I take it? Yes, I should take this profits. And it hit my level. Boom, 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 boom. Wow, bow, bow. The profits are gone. This morning, we're starting off things with gold. Um, After it came down here and price got rejected for the second time, swung back up above the blue line. We got these two bullish candles, and the mass network is swinging up. Also, QC has some room, so the anticipation is for it to come at least to this level, and then we'll take whatever profits it gives us. Let's go ahead and take a look at trading view. So this is trading view in the same capacity. So this is the level I was talking about right here. Now remember, levels are zones, not lines. Okay, anticipating for it to come to this level. I already have it marked. However, if we take a look at pivots, let's take a look at pivots. It might come all the way up here. Volume looks pretty good. You can see RSI is pushing up above the main line, and QC is up there, but I think it still has some room at least to get to my level. Right, and that's why I'm not anticipating to stay in until I get to the pivot point, because I think there's going to be a pullback before it gets to the pivot point. But at least if I get something at this level, I can pull out, wait for it to reset, and then maybe go back in. So that's the plan. If we look at it on the 1 hour, yeah, and then once it resets, I want to see if it's going to form new highs going up, and then might decide to re-enter. All right, let's see what's going on. Okay, we are fully extended in hammer time right now. We're just waiting for it to hit the level. Waiting for it to hit the level. The level. Come on, gold. Give me some gold. Ooh, that rhymed. I'm a rapper. Anyway. All right, so if we took a look at, okay, interestingly, USD CAD is pushing up as well. I'm gonna wait to see how this develops, because QC still has some room. I think it's gonna come at least to this level right here. Let's see. It might actually come all the way to this pivot point. I'm gonna wait because I think it's gonna. Mass network is starting to cross over. Blue is starting to turn, but I think there's gonna be a retest before it goes all the way to this pivot point at some point. So we're gonna wait for that. UJ, how we doing on UJ? One of my favorite pairs. Yeah, bounced off this level right here. Yeah, bounced off this level. It's now pushing up as well. I don't know if it has enough juice to push. AU. Ooh. AU is tanking. AU is going to the bottom. Possibly to this pivot point. And then, oh, there is, we got news coming up. So let's, yeah, almost forgot about that. Can't forget about that. Can't forget about the news. So, cannot forget about the news. All right, 10 a.m. we're getting consumer confidence and job openings. Job openings. Right? Above. Oh, my level has been hit. My level has been hit. Let's turn it off and take the profits. Maybe I should hold for a little bit. A little bit more. Let's go back to trading view, go back to gold. Come on, gold. You can give me a little bit more. Alright, now it's misbehaving. It's misbehaving. You know, I think gold is looking for some spanking. But okay. All right. All right, where were we at? We were looking at the news. Okay, so 114. So yeah, if consumer confidence comes in higher than that, then obviously the dollar is going to spike up and gold is going to spike down. Then you got the jobs openings. Those are expected to go down. So if those come in as expected or worse, then it's supposed to have the opposite effect. So we have a potential mixed bag here. I don't want to be around for that until the numbers come in. So yeah, gold better give me what I want. I'm threatening the market. That's funny. So anyway, and then once I get what I'm looking for, I will be out before this news. Okay. And then after that, nothing else really significant when it comes to USD. You have some minor news on EUR and JPY, but that's 10:30 a.m. for EUR. JPY is 6:50 p.m. I'm usually out of the market. Yeah, I mean, not usually. I am out of the market at that point. Way out of the market. 7 p.m. You have some news with the Aussie. So this might be a good opportunity for Aussie pairs. I don't know. I might come back into the market. I normally don't trade the Asian session or Pacific session, but I might take a look at that, you know, depending on what happens in this session. Come on, push, baby, push. Hit that level, please. Should I take it? Yes, I should take this profits. And it hit my level. Boom, 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 boom. Wow, bow, bow. The profits are gone. Thank you, gold. Hit the level. And let's see. 449 from gold. Thank you very much. All right, so gold over there. You got UJ pushing down. We go back to trading view. All right, I'm gonna wait to see what gold decides to do. In fact, on the 1 hour, this pivot point is right close to where I had marked the level. So again, remember, levels are not lines, they're zones. So both of these could be right? I think gold is pushing all the way up here. However, let's wait to see what the news has to say about all that. If we take a look at 5 minutes. Yeah, close to the pivot point on the 5-minute chart. So I think there's going to be some funkiness around here before it decides. Yep. This is the 15. About to hit the pivot point too on the 15. Maybe I should have stayed in a little bit more, got a little bit more, but hey, don't be greedy. That's a recipe to get slaughtered. Boom, it hit the pivot point. Gold is cooking. Gold is cooking with grease. Gold is cooking with grease. All right, UCAD. Boom. Tanking. Is this a setup or is it for real? RSI is dropping, crossing over. UJ, what's going on? UJ is doing the same dance. Dropping. You know, even before this drop, you could see the convergence on the QC. And the slight one on RSI as well. On the 1 hour, we're in a bearish hyperzone. We're trending down. So let's get rid of these. I don't need these anymore. Yeah. Came to this level, bounced out. Now it's pushing down. So this could just be a reset for it to go to this level. Which I feel, depending on the news, the numbers that come in, it might just do that, which means gold will go the opposite direction. All right. Okay, gold is going crazy. It has gone beyond its last high. It's pushing for a new high. I think it's coming to this pivot point, or close to it. Excuse me. So I plugged in again. Let's see where we at. We have some hammer times. We're hoping to get some more. Yeah, we're gonna ride this. UCAT still pushing down, UJ still pushing down, crossing over under 15. But I'm just gonna stick with gold for now. All right, we're cooking again. We're cooking again. Yeah, here we will stake our flag here. This is the next level we're looking for. You know, even though probably coming to this pivot point, but we're not gonna be greedy. We just want a little bit. What we got? All right, we could push, push, push. Come on, push, push, push. Push, gold, push. Hey, 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 hey. Promise, gold, if you give me this last push, put me above 500, I will leave you alone. All right, so we're trying to push to this level right here. Come on. You can do it, gold. Yeah, obviously I wasn't gonna make it somewhere. Gold, going for the gold. What happened, man? What happened? What happened, gold? There we go, 500. Come on, push up, push up. Dang, should have closed it when it was up there. Oh, what's going on? What happened, man? We were cooking, man. And then something happened. Uh-oh. We were cooking, man, and then something happened. Hey, hey, hey. Let's, hey. Let's see. What's happening here? Just hit my level, please. I'm not asking for much. Just hit my level, man. Alright. Looks like, we're gonna dance for a little bit. Gold is gonna tease for a little bit. On the 5-minute, RSI is woo! But I think there's at least a little bit more of a push before it, and then we have 9:30 coming up, so yeah, just give me a little. Okay, vroom vroom. Where are we at? 500. Close it. Dun, 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 dun. In the bag. We are out of gold for today. Well, not for today, until the next, if we see another opportunity. But yeah, 2 successful hammer times on gold. I should have stayed in the first one to begin with, but hey, just being cautious once it got to this level. But once it showed a strong push above that level, I re-entered, and we have another hammer time. Where we at for the day? 1,035 minus 39. We have 996. Not bad so far for the day. All blue, 100% win rate. Not that matters anyway. Oh, now you gotta push. That's what always happens, man. You know, but hey, I am grateful. I am grateful. All right, we're gonna pause that. Yeah, of course. Now it hits my level, and now it's going to the pivot point on the 5-minute. Close that. Yeah, go back to the 1 hour. Yeah, now it's pushing. So I guess I could have had like 600 or something, but you know what? Not going to be greedy. All right, let's get rid of this. Okay, news is in. You can see right here, consumer confidence came in slightly above what was predicted, so good for the dollar. And more importantly, the jobs openings came in higher than expected as well, so good for the dollar. So obviously the dollar's going to push up, and gold is going to spike down. Let's take a look. There we go. Boom. Spiking down. Let's see if it maintains that before we jump in it. Gold. I mean, the dollar. The dollar pushing up. We're gonna see if it goes beyond this level. Then we might look to do some damage. So we go back to UJ, pushing up. We're gonna see if it's gonna push up. beyond this level, which means it'll be coming to this pivot point. Let's see how strong this this news is. Yeah. USD CAD. USD CAD. It's pushing. Yeah, we're gonna see if it goes beyond this level. We decide whether we're gonna enter or not. We made some gains today and we want to protect them as much as possible. We're not just gonna enter trades. However, our side crossed over and remains above. So we're gonna see if that pushes QC at the half point mark. We'll see if that's gonna extend itself. So yeah, that's what we're looking like. UJ crossing over under 15. Gonna see if it's gonna go above this point and maintain that. I think I might enter UJ right here only because if it reverses, blue line is gonna protect me. So let's give it a shot with UCAD. Yeah. Yeah. The numbers look good in favor of the dollar. Anticipation is for it to come at least to this level. Let's go to trading view. Go to UCAD. We're on UCAD. Go to 15. Yeah. So pivot point, at least hit that pivot point. Or come to my level here. So we're going to see what it's going to do once it gets to this pivot point. Let's put a marker on this pivot point. All right, we're going to create one right here. And then we are going to scoot it down here. There you go. All right. Now, let's go back to 1 hour. Yeah, right below the blue, right there, right there. But I suspect we are going to at least come to the vicinity of this area. All right, let's see how we're doing. Oh, one hammer time on UCAD. All right, keep going, man, keep going. Gold is off to the races. The bears are running on gold. The bears are chasing the bulls away.
Whopper, 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 Junior, Double, Triple, Whopper, Flame Grill, taste with perfect toppers. I rule, this day, lettuce, mayo, pickle, ketchup, it's okay.
Okay, we have entered UJ. UJ is pushing up. I think it's going to come at least to this level. That's the anticipation anyway. I entered a little bit late. I should have caught it right after it crossed this most recent high. But let's see. Gold continues to push down. I'm a little skeptical to get in. UJ hit my level and I closed it because I thought it was, I could have waited, but anyway, I closed it. Not much on it. The one trade was 52 and the other was $2.61, which I actually didn't make money on it because the fee is $3.50, so short of like 75 cents. But that's cool. So anyway, let's see what UJ does, and then I'm looking at gold. I think it's going to continue to push. If we look at it on, yeah, I think it's pushing. So go back here and reactivate gold. Boom. Put in a trade. All right, let's see. UJ's pushing as well. We think gold is at least going to come to this level, which is interesting that it lines up with the previous pivot point, but yeah, that's what we're looking for. Gold, hook us up, UJ, where are you at? UJ, oh yeah, I think it's coming to at least this pivot point or close to it. So we're going to put an alert here and see where we at once it hits that level. Let's go see what's happening. Okay, we are staked out. Let's see how things play out. Hammer time on gold. That's what I like to see. Come on, give it to me, gold. Gold, going for gold. All right, looks like we're gonna be dancing here for a little bit. Okay, Gold is pushing, hoping it hits my level right here. That's what we're waiting for. Let's go, let's go, let's go. I feel like I need to play some elevator music over here or something. Gold to the races. I need like a auction voice. You know, one of those guys that talk fast when you're auctioning off stuff. You know, go to the races, go to the races, go to the races. We're hitting one, we're hitting two. I can't do it, man. I can't. Come on, you can do it, man. Hey, hey, hey. Let's see. Boom. We are extended in hammer time for gold. We're going to take it right now. Oh shit, they put in another one. Alright, we're going to minimize it. We don't want any more hammer times. So we're gonna say 1. And we're just gonna ride that 1. Now we have UJ pushing. Where you at, UJ? UJ, come into my level, please. UJ, get pushing to my level, please. I think if it gives me one more push, I'm gonna close it. Because I feel like if I don't, I might suffer some consequences. And we do not want consequences today. Anyway, where are we at for the day? 1,500 for the day. Okay, we're looking good. We're looking good. Hopefully, UJ is going to put me at 2,000 for the day. Alright, we have retracted, ladies and gentlemen. There is a retraction going on gold too. But we're going to hold that one trade. Gold. And hold UJ. Yeah, I should have stayed in UCAD, man. I would have had a good hammer time, but that's all good. That's all good. We got what we got. We're gonna stick with UJ. Who is that? Who? Hey, what's going on? Alright, UJ, hit my level, please, UJ. Come on. Hit my level, please. Oh, come on, UJ. You can do it. In fact, why don't you blast through? Of course, that's what we all want. Blast through the level. We're gonna wait. We're going to be patient. Where are we at? Okay. Okay. We shall be patient with you, UJ. Let's, I suspect AU, Aussie USD, made a big move as well, blasted through the pivot point, headed down. Oh, UJ, hit my level, UJ. UJ, thank you very much. We're gonna take it now. Boom. Hey, close, man. Alright, so all we got left is the gold trade, the singular gold trade that we're hoping is gonna keep going. And as it keeps going, PSTK is gonna keep tracking it with the stop loss. No hammer times, just a single trade. It's coming to 10:30. We are at 1,800 for the day. 100% win rate. That is awesome. Yeah. We are going to deactivate UJ. We don't want any more of that. Deactivate UCAT as well. And all we have left is gold, because we want to track it. If it moves down, we're gonna keep, PSTK is gonna keep moving the stop loss for me, so that's good. All right, 1,800 for the day so far, minus the fees of -109 puts us at $1,700 for the day. Gold is acting weird right now, but the market always does. Now we're in deficit of 2 something. Alright. We are going to continue watching this gold. Okay, so I closed out this gold trade because I can see it's starting to push back up and I want to protect my gains. So I closed it for a loss of 282, so that brought my gains down to 1,500 for the day, minus the fees. We're at 1,400 for the day. I'd rather do that than risk my gains for the day. It might still go down, but you know, looking at the I looked at the daily chart on gold on TradingView, and it looks like it's going to eventually go back up, and I don't think it's going to push much lower than that. We look at the 4-hour. Let's you know, it's been really stuck at this level for a while now. Came back down, I did not catch it, pulled back up. So that's the 4-hour. I don't think it's going to go much beyond this pivot point because the pullback is pretty substantial. Looks like gold wants to keep going up. And of course, this is the 1-hour, where I was hoping it would come hit my level, but it's just been pulling back up. And it seems like it's been stuck at this level. And it's 11 a.m. now, the close of my trading window. So I guess I could have waited. Maybe the loss would have been less. But hey, I am grateful for the gains that I have. So yes, that is going to be it for the day. $1,500.